I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the file and your permissions. Open File Manager, navigate directly to the folder, and select the item you want to lock. If you lack owner or admin rights, request them now. Without proper permissions, you cannot complete locking. Once selected, make a quick backup if the content is critical, then close any app that has the file open so changes will apply. These steps prevent conflicts and ensure a smooth locking operation. Now you perform the core action. Change permissions. Right-click the file and open Properties, then go to Security or Permissions. You can mark Read Only, uncheck Write for groups/users, or explicitly deny Modify for selected accounts. If you need the lock to affect multiple files, click Advanced and apply the changes to child items or the folder. Make sure to add or confirm only the intended users. Improper denial can block legitimate access and require admin fixes later. Finish by verifying the lock works as intended. Log in as a regular user and attempt to open or edit the file. You should be blocked from modifying it. Return to Properties to double-check the set permissions and the owner field and correct anything misassigned. If something goes wrong, boot to an admin account or safe mode to restore ownership or permissions, or use an admin recovery tool. This troubleshooting tip resolves most accidental lockouts without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.